Hello and welcome to this video lecture. Myself Dr. Nidhan Singh from IB College Panipat, and this video lecture is created under the guidance from Department of Higher Education Haryana for the students of botany. And the topic for this video is classification of gymnosperms with a special emphasis on Pilger and Melchier's system of classification. So first we should have some primary information about gymnosperms, the naked seed plants. In 300 BC, Theophrastus used the word gymnosperms in his book Enquiry into Plants, and the word was used for all the plants where seeds were unprotected. The gymnosperms are included in Spermatophyta, which means the seed plants, along with angiosperms. They are spermatophytes like angiosperms, and the difference is of these naked seeds. The seeds are unprotected. Due to unprotected ovules, these plants, the gymnosperms, are considered primitive than angiosperms, and they stand in between pteridophytes and angiosperms. The pteridophytes are before gymnosperms, and angiosperms are advanced than gymnosperms. So they are a intermediate group between pteridophytes and angiosperms. These plants are popularly also known as phanerogams without ovary. If we go further, we can also note it down that they are the oldest seed plants because they are the first plants on this earth which were truly seed bearing. There was no seed like structure originated in pteridophytes, but the true seeds were born in gymnosperms. These plants originated in Paleozoic era, later Paleozoic era, around 350 million years ago, and they flourished well in Mesozoic. The Mesozoic era is remembered for the reptiles, great reptiles like the dinosaurs, pterosaurs. तो जिम्नोस्पर्म्स उस इरा में डायनासोर्स के साथ प्रेजेंट थे, और ये एक तकलीफ़ की बात भी है. दिस इज़ वेरी अनफॉर्चुनेट that most of the species of gymnosperms are extinct and now they are found only as fossils. और जो fossils नहीं हैं वो भी वाइल्ड में बहुत restricted conditions में हैं. बहुत सारी species ऐसी हैं जो बहुत कम रह गई हैं. कुछ plants gymnosperms में से कुछ groups जैसे साइकेडेल्स और गिंगोएल्स वो तो इतने कम हैं कि उनको लिविंग फॉसिल्स कहा जाता है. सिंप्लिसिटी के लिए, फॉर द सेक ऑफ कन्वीनियंस, मोस्ट ऑफ द modern gymnosperms, all the modern gymnosperms are grouped under 4 orders. We will see the detailed classification in this lecture, but primarily for primary information we must have a know-how of the 4 major groups. Cycadales, और ये छोटा सा ग्रुप है जिसमें सिर्फ 9 लिविंग जेनरा है. गिंगोएल्स, ये तो बहुत ही छोटा है, सिर्फ एक लिविंग स्पीसीज है, एक जीनस और एक ही स्पीसीज. ऐसे जेनरा को मोनोटिपिक बोलते हैं, मोनोटिपिक जेनरा. तीसरे ग्रुप का नाम है कॉनिफरेल्स. ये ग्रुप हाईली डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड है, इसका डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन अच्छा है, और एंड जिम्नोस्पर्म्स में दिस इज़ द मोस्ट कॉन्स्पिकुअस ग्रुप. एंड द लास्ट ग्रुप, फोर्थ ग्रुप, इज नीटेल्स, which is considered to be made up of most advanced gymnosperms, and it has only 3 living genera. We will see the details. So Cycadophyta, the common name, they are commonly known as cycads. Approximately 150 species are there. Gingophyta, which is commonly popularly known as gingos, but Unfortunately, there is only one ginkgo left in the world, that is Ginkgo biloba. Coniferophyta, the group is popularly known by the name of conifers, and this is a good group. It is a large group with around 650 species. And the most advanced group of gymnosperms is Gnetophyta. The plants are popularly known as gnetophytes with around 70 to 80 species in the world. So this is an example of Cycadophyta. This plant you must have seen. It is a popular garden plant known as cycas. This is a common example of Coniferophyta. It is a pinus plant, and it is a common example of Gnetophyta. We will see the Gingophyta again in later in this video. So this is Ephedra from Gnetophyta. So now let us go into the details of classification of gymnosperms. Before I go to the classification of Pilger and Melchior, we will first try to know how many different types of classifications are there for gymnosperms. बहुत सारे सिस्टम्स प्रपोज किए गए हैं टाइम टू टाइम, और उनमें से कुछ की लिस्ट यहाँ मैं दे रहा हूँ. द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट वंस, द मोस्ट एक्सेप्टेड वंस. बहुत सारे क्लासिफिकेशंस हैं. सबसे पुराना और सबसे एक्सेप्टेड एक क्लासिफिकेशन का सिस्टम दिया था बेंथम एंड हुकर ने, एंड इट वाज 1862 to 1883. Second system was given by Ischler. We have one more popular system which was given by Engler and Prentl. Another system of classification of gymnosperms was proposed by Eames in 1926. This was also a very popular system of classification, Chamberlain and Nathorst, given in 1934. And this is the one which we will be going to discuss in some details. This is Pilger and Melchior system of classification of gymnosperms. It was given in 1954. One more system of classification was given by Professor D.D. Pant in 1957. Raizada and Sahni proposed a system of classification of gymnosperms in 1960. A very renowned name in gymnosperms, Sporne, he gave another system of classification in 1965. And a system of classification of gymnosperms was also proposed by Bierhorst in 1971. So we will first take up the Bentham and Hooker system of classification. The Bentham and Hooker in 1862 and to 1883, they published their very important system of classification in which they covered all the plants, almost all the plants from lower plants up to angiosperms. But in this system, what they did is, उन्होंने जिम्नोस्पर्म्स को डाइकोट्स और मोनोकोट्स के बीच में प्लेस कर दिया. जिम्नोस्पर्म्स डाइकोट्स और मोनोकोट्स के बीच में, और ये एक गलती थी क्योंकि जिम्नोस्पर्म्स और एंजियोस्पर्म्स के बीच में रखना, ये इसको करेक्शन की ज़रूरत थी जिसको बाद में करेक्ट किया गया. सो उनका सिस्टम ऑफ क्लासिफिकेशन हम देख लेते हैं. द सेकेंड क्लास ऑफ दिस सिस्टम वाज जिम्नोस्पर्म्स. मैंने पहली और तीसरी क्लास नहीं ली, मैं सिर्फ जिम्नोस्पर्म्स वाला पार्ट ही ले रहा हूँ. द सेकेंड क्लास ऑफ बेंथम एंड हुकर सिस्टम वाज जिम्नोस्पर्म्स. दिस क्लास was divided into 3 groups or 3 families. One of them Neetaceae, second Coniferae, and third Cycadaceae. So this was the system, the outline of the system given by Bentham and Hooker. Ischler in 1883 followed Bentham and Hooker. Exactly almost similar classification was given by Ischler, but he has further divided this Coniferae into 2 subgroups. We can see like this. The gymnosperms, they were grouped into 3 families in the similar way: Neetaceae, Coniferae, and Cycadaceae. This Coniferae was again subdivided into Taxaceae and Araucariaceae. So this was the system proposed by Ischler. So when we see the system given by Engler and Prentl, Engler and Prandtl divided gymnosperms in 7 orders. The first order was Psychedophiliales, Cycadales, Bennettitales, Gingoales, Coniferales, Chordatails and Nettales. But you must know this, that most of these groups are gone now. They are extinct. They do not exist now. So quickly we should have a look on the system proposed by Eames in 1926. Eames classified trachid bearing plants, means the vascular plants, as tracheophytes, and they were divided into 4 subdivisions: Psilopsida, Lycopsida, Sphenopsida and Pteropsida. These first three groups did not have gymnosperms. We will not go into details of these 3 groups. Pteropsida में gymnosperms हैं, तो हम इसको थोड़ा expand करते हैं आगे. This Pteropsida group was divided into 3 classes: Felicini, again pteridophytes. Now this is gymnospermy and angiospermy. This Pteropsida was divided into 3 classes. All the trachid bearing plants, all the plants which have vascular system, तो इसमें जिम्नोस्पर्म्स भी आते हैं, एंजियोस्पर्म्स भी आते हैं, टेरिडोफाइट्स भी आते हैं. तो हमने सिर्फ इस सब डिवीज़न को एक्सपेंड किया है क्योंकि इसमें जिम्नोस्पर्म्स है, और हम जिम्नोस्पर्म्स का क्लासिफिकेशन थोड़ा सा और ईम्स ने जो दिया था उसको देख रहे हैं. उन्होंने जिम्नोस्पर्म्स को डिवाइड किया 7 ऑर्डर्स में: साइकेडोफिलिकेल्स, बेनेटाइटेल्स, साइकेडेल्स, कोर्डाइटेल्स, गिंगोएल्स एंड कोनिफरेल्स. ये मैंने कुछ रेड कलर में किए हैं, कुछ ग्रीन हैं. ये जो ग्रीन कलर्ड प्लांट्स हैं, दे आर द ग्रीन कलर्ड ऑर्डर्स हैं, दे आर प्रेजेंट, एंड these red colored groups are not existent now. So this is the last 7th order, Nettales. There was one more system given by Chamberlain and Nathost in 1934. They classified gymnosperms in 2 divisions: division Cycadophyta and division Coniferophyta. The Cycadophyta was further made up of 3 orders: Cycadophilicales, Bennettitales and Cycadales. You can see this asterisk mark. ये जो स्टार लगाया है, ये स्टार उस ग्रुप के साथ लगा है जो एक्सटिंक्ट है, जो अब नहीं है. इसी तरह से कोनिफेरोफाइटा को उन्होंने डिवाइड किया 4 ऑर्डर्स में: कोर्डाइटेल्स, ये फिर एक्सटिंक्ट है, फॉसिल्स का ग्रुप है; गिंगोएल्स, कोनिफरेल्स और नीटेल्स. इनमें एक ग्रीन कलर है, 2 रेड कलर है. अभी हम देखते हैं ये इसका क्या कारण है. तो ये जो एस्ट्रिक मार्क है, दिस इज फॉर द ग्रुप containing fossil plants. The members of Cycadophilicales, Bennettitales and Chordatails are extinct and occur only as fossils. ये तीनों ग्रुप्स जो हैं, ये सिर्फ फॉसिल्स में एग्जिस्ट करते हैं. Cycadales, Gingoales and Coniferales, they are living as well as extinct. और जो लास्ट वाला ग्रुप है, जो ऑर्डर है, Nettales, it is a group of members which are all living. ये अब हम बात करते हैं, हमारा जो मेन टॉपिक है डिस्कशन का, पिल्जर एंड मेल्चियर सिस्टम ऑफ क्लासिफिकेशन, उसकी बात करते हैं. ये सिस्टम सबसे पहले पब्लिश हुआ था इन 12th एडिशन ऑफ एंगलर्स सिलेबस, एंड द नेम ऑफ दैट पब्लिकेशन वाज सिलेबस डेर फ्लांजियन फामिलियन. उस समय का ऐसा माना जाता है कि ये जिम्नोस्पर्म का ऑलमोस्ट कंप्लीट सिस्टम था, जिसमें बहुत अच्छा डिस्क्रिप्शन था प्लांट्स का. लगभग 29 फैमिलीज़ को लेकर इन्होंने पूरे प्लांट्स जो अच्छी कंडीशन में, जिनका रिप्रोडक्टिव मटेरियल स्टडी करने के लिए अवेलेबल था, उन टेक्सा को डिटेल में डिस्क्राइब किया और 29 फैमिलीज़ को लिस्ट किया इस सिस्टम ऑफ क्लासिफिकेशन में. दिस वाज given in 1954 by Pilger and Melchior. एंड दिस इज़ टू बी नोटेड दैट आउट ऑफ द 29 फैमिलीज जो उन्होंने लिस्ट की है, 18 फैमिलीज वर एक्सटिंक्ट। इनके मेंबर्स एक्सटिंक्ट हो चुके हैं, वो नहीं थे, उस समय भी नहीं थे, आज भी नहीं हैं। सिर्फ 11 फैमिलीज़ हैं जिनके मेंबर्स लिविंग हैं। अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस सिस्टम ऑफ क्लासिफिकेशन, जिम्नोस्पर्म्स वर डिवाइडेड इन 4 क्लासेस, और उन क्लासेस के नाम हम यहाँ देख रहे हैं और आगे उन सब की डिटेल हम देखेंगे। इन 4 क्लासेस को आगे फर्दर डिवाइड किया गया 11 ऑर्डर्स में, और 29 फैमिलीज़ जिनमें से 11 एक्सटेंट का मतलब है एग्जिस्टिंग या लिविंग, और 18 एक्सटिंक्ट फैमिलीज़ इस क्लासिफिकेशन सिस्टम में लिस्ट की गई। तो पिल्जर एंड मेल्चर के सिस्टम की आउटलाइन हम देख रहे हैं। सबसे बड़ा जो ग्रुप उन्होंने जिम्नोस्पर्म्स का बनाया, उस ग्रुप का नाम रखा डिवीज़न जिम्नोस्पर्मी, विच इज़ आल्सो नोन एज आर्कीस्पर्मी। डिवीज़न जिम्नोस्पर्मी और आर्कीस्पर्मी। दिस डिवीज़न कंसिस्टेड ऑफ ट्रीज और रेयरली shrubs. The wood mostly without vessels. This word mostly is used because some of the advanced gymnosperms have vessels in their wood. Cones unisexual and seeds are not covered with the fruit wall. The seeds are naked. The seeds are uncovered. This division gymnospermy was further divided into 4 classes. The number one class, first class, was Cycadopsida, also known as Cycadophyta. Second class, Coniferopsida, also known as Coniferophyta. Third class, Taxopsida, also known as Taxini. And the last class of this system was Chlamydospermy. Chlamydospermy, also known as Chlamydospermophyta or Cnitophyta, and we will refer to it as Cnitopsida for the sake of convenience, and this is now more popular in comparison to this Cladospermy. So 4 classes are there: Cycadopsida, Coniferopsida, Taxopsida and Cnitopsida. We will see the details of all these classes one by one. So this Cycadopsida consisted of members where wood was monozylic, leaves large and frond like the fern fronds, and usually the leaves are pinnately compound. And the seeds of this group, this class Cycadophyta, they were with radial symmetry. The seeds are having radial symmetry. This group, this class is further divided into 7 orders, and प्लीज़ रिमेंबर दिस एस्ट्रिक मार्क। जैसा थोड़ी देर पहले मैंने कहा था कि ये जो एस्ट्रिक मार्क है, ये जिस पे लगा हुआ है वो ग्रुप ऑफ प्लांट्स एक्सटिंक्ट है, वो नहीं एग्जिस्ट करता। तो 7 ऑर्डर्स, दिस क्लास इज डिवाइडेड इनटू 7 ऑर्डर्स। द फर्स्ट वन इज टेरिडोस्पर्मी, विच इज़ मेड अप ऑफ 4 एक्सटिंक्ट फैमिलीज, और हम इनका जिक्र भी नहीं करेंगे बिकॉज दे आर नो मोर प्रेजेंट। दूसरा ग्रुप केटोनियल्स, जो दूसरे ऑर्डर का नाम केटोनियल्स, इसमें सिर्फ एक ही फैमिली थी, ओनली वन फैमिली वॉज देयर एंड इट इज़ आल्सो एक्सटिंक्ट। द थर्ड ग्रुप, द इम्पोर्टेंट ग्रुप इज साइकेडेल्स, it is of living members, we will see its detail. Fourth order of this class, Nilsoniales, again with extinct families, 2 families are there and the members are extinct, they are not found. Fifth order is Bennetitales and only one family is there, it is also extinct. Sixth order of this class Cycadopsida, Pentozylales, also having one extinct family without any member present. And the last order of this class, Gingoales, is also living, but the fossils are also found. This is a very small group, as I have already told you, Gingoales. Only one species is there. So let us now see the breakup of this Cycadales further. This order Cycadales contains one family, Cycadaceae, and the order Gingoales contains only one family, Gingoaceae. This Cycadaceae is further, this family Cycadaceae is further subdivided into five subfamilies. Cycadoideae, जिसमें साइकस आता है, स्टेंजिरियोइडी जिसमें स्टेंजिरिया आता है, बोविनियोइडी जिसमें बोविनिया आता है, डायूनोइडी जिसमें डायून आता है, और जेमियोइडी जिसका एक एग्जाम्पल है जेमिया। अगली क्लास की हम बात करते हैं। सिस्टम के अनुसार 4 क्लासेस हैं। दूसरी क्लास का नाम कोनिफेरोप्सिडा, कोनिफेरोफाइटा, कॉनिफर्स भी इनको बोलते हैं। इनमें वुड पिक्नोजाइलिक होती है, लीव्स फैन शेप्ड भी, पैडल शेप्ड भी हो सकती हैं, और बहुत बार लीव्स डाइमॉर्फिक मिलते हैं इनमें, एक ब्राउन स्केल कलर की लीव्स और कुछ ग्रीन फोलिएज लीव्स। द सीड्स हेयर आर with bilateral symmetry in this class. This class is divided into 2 orders. One of them is Chordatails, which is having 3 extinct families. There are no members existing of this order. And second is Coniferae. It is a big group, Coniferae. We will see its details. This order Coniferae is made up of 10 families. It is a big group, but out of 10 families, 5 families are extinct and 5 are present. They are extant families. We will list only these, the extant ones. So these are the 5 living families: Pinaceae, Taxodiaceae, Cupressaceae, Podocarpaceae and Araucariaceae. These Taxodiaceae and Araucariaceae, जिनका कलर मैंने अलग रखा है, इनकी आगे कोई सब फैमिली नहीं है, और इन तीनों के आगे सब फैमिलीज भी हैं, वो भी हम देख रहे हैं अभी। Pinaceae इज डिवाइडेड इन 3 सब फैमिलीज: एबिटोइडी जिसमें एबीज आता है, लैरिकोइडी जिसमें लैरिक्स आता है, और पाइनोइडी जिसमें पाइनस आता है। तो 3 सब फैमिलीज Pinaceae की हो गई। अगर हम Cupressaceae की बात करें तो इट इज़ आल्सो अगेन डिवाइडेड इन 3 सब फैमिलीज। Out of these 3, Cupressoideae is having Cupressus, Thujoideae is having Thuja, and Juniperoideae has Juniperus as one of the members. तो Pinaceae और Cupressaceae जो कि फैमिलीज़ हैं ऑर्डर कोनिफरी की अकॉर्डिंग टू पिल्जर एंड मेल्चर सिस्टम, उनकी आगे फर्दर 3 सब फैमिलीज़ हैं। और जो पोडोकार्पेसी है, दिस इज आल्सो डिवाइडेड इन 3 सब फैमिलीज़। One of them is Spherospheroideae, another is Phyllocleidoideae, and last one is Podocarpoideae, which is having a member named Podocarpus. So this was the class Coniferopsida given by Pilger and Melchior. Third class Taxopsida or Taxini is having the members with pycnozylic wood. Leaves are linear lanceolate and arranged spirally on the stem, and seeds are usually covered with aril. Seeds are usually covered. You will see a red colored structure which is known as aril, especially in Texas. So this class is further divided only in one order. The name is Taxales, and it is having only one living family, the name of which is Taxaceae, and this is the plant which is known as Taxus baccata. It is very important and anti-cancerous plant. You can see this is known as aril. This red structure is known as aril, and this is the seed. This is seed present. This class is known as Taxopsida. Next class Nitopsida, also known as Chlamydospermi, as I have told you earlier. This class is having the plants which have wood with vessels. This is very important point. The gymnosperms usually do not have vessels in their wood. This is the group in which vessels are present. Leaves are broadly elliptic or strap shaped. Ovules are surrounded by characteristic bracts. These are some special structures, bracts, which give the seeds a very unique, attractive look. This class is having only one order, Nettales, with 3 living families: Welwitschia, Aphidraceae and Nettaceae. This is Welwitschia of Welwitschia. This is Ephedra of Aphidraceae, and this plant is Nettum from Nettaceae. This group is very, this is only a single species, single genus, single species in this family, and this is Ephedra, which is a shrub-like structure, and this Nettum is a climber. So this group has climbers also in this. In the end, for a quick revision and for summing up the all system of classification given by Pilger and Melchior, this table will give you a quick revision. There are 4 classes: Cycadopsida, Coniferopsida, Taxopsida and Nettopsida of gymnosperms. The Cycadopsida is divided into these orders. The ones with red color and asterisk marks, they are extinct ones, and the ones with green color, they are living orders, the orders with living members. The order Cycadales, for example, is divided into families Cycadaceae, and Gingoales is divided into family Gingoaceae. For Cycadaceae there are subfamilies, they have been listed here. For Gingoaceae there are no subfamilies, therefore no sublisting is here. In the same way, for Coniferopsida there are 2 orders, Chordatails and Coniferae. This is extinct and therefore it is red color, and this is now a living group, therefore it is in green color. This Coniferae, I have given the family names only for the living orders. This Coniferae is further made up of these families Pinaceae, Taxodiaceae, Cupressaceae, and again the families which have subfamilies are listed here. So it is a quick revision table. You can refer to this, and for any clarification you can go back to the video to see what are the other details. With this I come to the end of this video lecture. I hope you must have learned about this Pilger and Melchior system of classification, as well as an overview of some other systems of classification given for gymnosperms from time to time. Thank you very much for watching this video.